Hey guys, students, I'm just going to explain here again for the second activity about how we can fork our project in GitHub. So I told you that first of all, when you already have your GitHub account, it's really important to access to your account in your computer in order to access here. So first of all, the problem, how to solve the problem about the tab that appears exceed too many times to access or not enough time to load in the page. So one way to fix it is really simple. We only click here. Let me only copy the code here to do it again. So you can fix like this and we wait a little bit. So that is the first way to fix the problem of the opening this application. We only wait to install the dependencies and that's it. So, however, going back to here in portfolio, StackBlitz, my portfolio, if you can access here, wait me here, install the programs, install dependencies. So when you already have a GitHub and StackBlitz loading here, like this, it's going to see, three, it's going to last 30 seconds. Here you have. So yeah, once we're ready, we go to the document that I provide to you, StackBlitz. So first step, you're going to unuse StackBlitz. When it's your first time, you're going to follow these instructions. These instructions are going to be posted on the internet. So read it, follow all these instructions. It's really important to follow it because we're going to use all these parts in all these projects in your own code and in your own cloud. So in order to do that, we go to fork and then you go to my account and you sign to with GitHub. Now you're ready. Put for example your name. For example, here my case is my email. I know it's the other one. Let me to CMN. And here I will not show the password, obviously. Oh, mistake here. Sometimes happen. So now you're ready, and now you log in to GitHub. Is close this window, and then you say, okay, now it's ready for your repository. Now it's fork the project. Wait a little bit, and there you have it. So here it's going to say fork repository and pushing on the patch. So we can go to GitHub, and then you're going to see that you have your own portfolio project on GitHub. Excellent. You now finished. So that is the first thing. Now you're ready. What are the things you have to do? Really simple. Go to the dashboard over here. Repositories. Here, take a screenshot of this. So that's it for today, guys. Have a beautiful day.